Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Workfront, which is Adobe's enterprise level project management platform. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important insights. Now, if you don't have a Workfront account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts. So without further delay, let's jump right in and talk about whether Workfront is really worth using in 2025. So here, if you open your web browser and search for Workfront, you will find this first link from Adobe, which is Adobe Workfront Work Management Software. So here, if you click on it, you will be landed on this page. So we will just need to understand what is Workfront in a nutshell. So Workfront is a work management system that is designed for large teams and complex projects, mostly used by enterprises, marketing, creatives, and IT departments. Unlike simpler tools like Trello or Asana, Workfront is built for structured, repeatable workflows, formal approvals, workload balancing, and granular reportings. So if you are managing multiple campaigns across multiple teams or dealing with compliance heavy operations, this tool is specifically made for you. Now, right off the bat, Workfront feels very corporate, and that's both good and bad. So in order to create your account, first here you need to book a demo. Click on the book a demo option. Then you need to provide some of the details why you want to get started with it. After providing those details, you will be able to basically request for a demo, and they are going to connect with you with the help of your email address. Now here you can click on this Adobe icon in the top right hand corner, and you can create your Adobe account over here. So this will be your Adobe dashboard where you can add a Workfront application additionally. So in the top you will see the home page and other tools provided by Adobe. In order to add other apps, simply click on this plus icon and click on the option of view apps. Now you need to use the search bar here in the top right hand corner and search for Workfront. So this will be the first link, Adobe Workfront Product Management. So you need to simply click on it, and here you need to basically apply for the free trial. So it is not free, you will have to choose a plan and you need to apply for the paid plan of it. So once you get this particular Workfront account, you will see the interface that will be very clean, but there is a steep learning curve as well. It is not something that you can figure out very casually in one setting. The layout would be dense and it would include a lot of tabs, drop downs, filters, and custom views. So once you learn where things live, like dashboards, the task lists, and report, it becomes quite easier for you to manage it, but expect to spend some onboarding time here. Now this is very powerful but not intuitive, definitely not beginner friendly. So here if I talk about the core feature that stand out, you are going to get the project planning options. You can build large structured projects with tasks, subtasks, dependencies, and timelines. You will get some of the pre-built templates as well. So if your team runs similar workflows, you can save the time using the reusable templates as well. If you want to get requests and the custom forms, this is also a huge plus here. Workfront lets you create the root requests with custom forms so that your team always captures the right info upfront. In the built-in review tools, it is going to basically let you comment directly on the documents, images, or video files. That is very handy for the creative teams. The stakeholders love the dashboards and the reports, so you can also build live dashboards that shows you the project health, team capability, task delays, and more. So all of these tools are designed for the large operations, not just the task tracking but the full blown process management. Now if we talk about the real world usage, so Workfront actually brings you the structure and visibility into big teams. If you are managing 15 projects with overlapping deadlines, it actually gonna give you a centralized place to track everything, who is doing what is failing behind, and what needs approval. However, day by day usage feels quite heavy. Small updates that take seconds in tools like ClickUp or Monday.com might take a few extra clicks here. So there is also dependency on the admin's settings, things up right. If the project template isn't well built, things can get messy. Workfront actually works best when it is paired with strong internal processes and clear rules. Now, if I talk about the pros of Workfront, it is really well. It is excellent for the structured workflows and approvals. You will get built-in proofing for creating the assets. It is actually great for the visibility across the large teams and departments. You are going to find it scalable and customizable for the enterprise's need, and you will get automated reporting and dashboards. So if you are marketing ops and IT at large organization, this particular tool actually helps you eliminate any kind of guesswork, but it is not perfect. You will get the complex setup, which is not ideal for the startups or any of the small teams. You will get the slower workflow as compared to more modern task boards. You will get steep learning curve, which needs training and internal documentation as well. If we talk about the licensing, it is not at all cheap. You can't even create your account over here directly. You will have to first of all book a call, and then you will have to pay the cost, and then after that cost only you will be able to scale your team. So this particular tool is meant for high volume cross functional teams. So if you just want to manage a few to-do lists or timelines, this is overkill. So now understand who should use Workfront. So Workfront is actually for marketing departments who are managing 50 plus projects at once, who are creative teams that need structured proofing for feedback. It is for IT and product teams that have multiple approval layers. It is for enterprises who are looking for the unfiltered dashboards and compliance tracking. Now, who it is not for? For any freelancers, solopreneurs, or startups. For teams that prefer fast, agile style workflows, you can just check out some other options. Users who are looking for lightweight and flexible interface, Workfront is not for you. So Workfront is actually about rigor, accountability, and standardization, and not the speed or simplicity. So the question here is it actually worth it? So if you are a large organization that needs to standardize projects, handle the approvals, and report on every deliverable, then yes, Workfront is powerful and dependable. But if you are a smaller team or value speed over structure, you might be better off with a lighter tool. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.